So today we're unboxing this laptop, this AI PC that we got from Acer. Ooh, okay, this looks nice. It looks really nice. Okay, I can already see the viewer retention is graph is gonna fall off a bit here, but well, a video's a video. I'm gonna get this. Get that one right there. Oh, this video is gonna be fresh. Ah. Okay, alright. Bro, it cannot be that hard.
What, you want to try?
Alright, it can't be that hard.
There you go.
There. Let's go. Suey. Let's go. Alright, that's the satisfying sound. Let's see what we got here. We got instructional stuff, boring. We have like egg cartons. We have these like egg cartons here. We have this. I think this is the charger. Yeah, this is the charger in here. It's kind of in here. It's wedged in between these little egg cartons. I think they're for like shipping or something. See what's inside here. It's like an owner's manual or something, or like a
international traveler's warranty and proof of.
All right. Oh, is it Nitro? So we get to the real PC. I didn't get this thing out. I grabbed the whole thing out of here. I'm gonna grab the whole thing out of the box. These little egg cartons. What is this design, bro? This is goofy design. Yo! Okay, look at that. Yo, it's got the Nitro logo. Down here, this is looking pretty good too. Looking pretty fire. Yo, how much was this?
600.
Yo, this is pretty good for 600. Yo, look how big.
Ethernet.
Look how big this is. Okay, look how big this is. Massive, bruh.
2 USBs.
Yo, okay. Okay, look at the keyboard. Is the keyboard RGB? Like RGB. Light up or something. Whoa.
Oh, there's a Copilot button. Crazy.
It's an AI PC. It's got got the video. The NVIDIA. Got the RTX. Got it. Oh no, the camera's not focusing. Okay, we got AMD and NVIDIA RTX. Alright. Absolute beast for $600. Alright, this is gonna be a wrap, guys, for today's unboxing. I'm gonna go clean this up.